ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for your time. This is the second paper from KSAP Technologies. It's around WMS. How do we extend warehousing, Oracle warehousing management using our billing solution? Like I mentioned yesterday, Oracle does have a billing solution, but then this is more of intuitive and easy to use solution that we have provided for a customer called Flow Logistics. Now, this is presented by three folks actually. The CIO of Flow Logistics, Mr. Ashraf Abdulghani, who is based out of Saudi Arabia, is unable to make it here. He sent us his regards via recorded video. I have Rahul, who represents Flow Logistics, and I have Jayaprakash, who represents KSAP. Between three of them, we will have the session today. So first, we'll have a video from Mr. Ashraf.
Hello everyone, this is Ashraf Abdulghani from Flow Logistics. Thank you very much for giving this a chance to speak about our experience in the warehouse billing engine. We'll present this as a story going back to the challenges that we are facing in terms of the generating the invoice from different engine or different system. We have Oracle WMS Cloud, and also we have other solution which is related to the automated warehouse management system that is connected to the PLC level. So during the past period, our team experienced some effort put it in the manual interaction in extracting the information, the operational transaction, and then going to finance team to check the contract and multiply all these rates. For that, and since we have like a good pipeline of the customers and we need to serve them, so it was like a difficult effort for the team, operational team, and finance team also. So they need to audit, review, and ensure that the invoice is going to the customer in the right format without any chance for the leakage. The reality was not the same as we expected. So all of that because of the manual interaction. So we explored the market, and then we landed to choose our partner KSAP, KSAP company, KSAP expert people who can understand our situation in the first place, and then propose the best fit solution for us, knowing that we need a flexibility in the invoicing solution, and also a good structure in terms of the pricing. So we need here the flexibility. We need to unify the pricing structure. We need to capture the information from different sites, regional wise, from Oracle WMS Cloud, from other than Oracle, which is the automated warehouse management system. So all of that was a real challenge for all of us, for the KSAP team, for the operation team, for our finance team, even for the IT team. So stakeholders for this project were involved to make sure that the full understanding and the needs it's happening as per the expectation. So we did this during the past 2 months, and we started the live operation. It was amazing experience when we started seeing the transaction. It's captured by the system in terms of the operational solution, and then it is coming in the billing engine, like multiplying the rate master and going for the calculation. So the solution saying that there will be like operational activity by warehouse team, and then there will be like screens for the warehouse manager or authorized people to approve that transaction, and then next level to audit review from the operation side before posting to the Oracle Financial AR. So this experience was amazing for us because it is eliminating all the manual interaction from the team. It has a compliance related that someone will enter the rate master, like defining the contract from one party, and other party will review and confirm, which is here in the finance hand. And then once it is active rate master, then the operation will be able to see the calculation based on the captured transaction in the system. So it was very nice experience again that we see now there is no manual interaction. There is no chance for the team to edit any record. The rate cards changes happening in the system, everything is under log. So we know who can define, who is the updated the transaction, and all of that. It is in the system. And then the beauty of the final result, which is helping the finance team, is all this calculation will come to the AR as invoice header and lines based on the our requirement connected to the accounting segment. So everything accounting wise, description wise, according the ZAPCA formulation in Saudi Arabia. So all of this activity is happening as one go. Amazing experience again. It's about what we need as a customer, what is our need, what is our objective from this project, is to follow the market, the trend of digital transaction. So it is like digital transformation activity. It is without interaction. There is no interaction from the team. Everything is in the system, and anyone can track the transaction from end to end. Thank you again, KSAP team, for giving this a chance, and I really looking forward to.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul, and I am a ITSME in Flow Progressive Logistics, and I am here in place of Ashraf because he is not able to make it up today. So here we are going to present you the manual billing solution which is presented by KSAP. So initially starting with the manual billing challenge. So in Flow, currently we are doing all the billing manually in the warehouses. So if you see, we have a list of challenges in our current billing system, and the first one is extracting data. So normally we have multiple sources where we used to extract the data. Like we have a warehouse management system, and we are extracting the data in Excel file normally from that warehouse management system. And the second challenge is like manual formatting. So when we are extracting a data in Excel, there are chances of errors, issues, and a dedicated resource need to sit and format each and every lines in the Excel file. When we move ahead, we have a revenue leakage risk. So we don't have any control. Like if you are filling Excel sheet, nobody is gonna review each and every line in the Excel file. So there are chances of revenue leakage because anybody can add any line in that file. And the last challenge is the time consuming. So when we do a manual work, it's always a time consuming. So JP, if you need to add something.
Myself, Jayaprakash. Okay, everyone calls me JP. Okay, as you know, Rahul and Ashraf rightly mentioned, right? Okay, Flow, they have been struggling a lot with their billing system earlier. Okay, they have been extracting the data using Excels. Okay, and they copy this data into another Excel where they have the Excel formulas, okay, and again they have to hand over it to their finance team. Again the finance team has to enter these records manually in their Fusion AI, okay. So with these challenges, they have reached us, okay, and we have come up with a solution called billing module. Okay, later once after Rahul explains that, I'll start with what billing module is. Thank you.
Okay. So the next slide is why the transformation is necessary. So in the previous slide I mentioned we have a list of issues. So to cope up with all the issues, like the first issue is lack of visibility. There is Excel file, so there is no visibility. It's maintained locally in anybody's system. So we don't have means the people don't have visibility what is going on in the Excel file. The second is issue with the accuracy. When you are manually handling the Excel file, there are always chances of error. So you can't maintain the accuracy all the times. The third issue is like bill generation delay. So normally we have to manually push each and every file to the AP system, and a finance guy will manually create each and every invoice in the AP system by reading the Excel file. So it always delay the bill generation. So why we need this transformation? So the solution is like we have automated the whole billing solution. The second thing is like we have maintained the consistency. Like now it is maintained in a system, and everybody have the visibility of that system. So it maintains the consistency. And the third is standardized billing approach. So we have multiple warehouses and hubs within Saudi. Like we have Jeddah, Riyadh, Cake warehouses and multiple hubs. So we have to maintain a standard process SOP around all the warehouses. So if somebody will do that manually, he can't able to maintain that kind of standardized billing. So using this solution, our billing solution has been standardized across all the warehouses.
So as Rahul mentioned, right, okay, Flow has multiple warehouses across all the Saudi Arabia, okay, and they have two WMS systems. One is Oracle Cloud WMS, and other one is WMS WMS, which is Schaefer system, which is ASRS, okay. So they faced a lot of problem with extracting the data from both the systems, right? And while copy pasting, if someone does some mistake, okay, initially operation team they'll extract the data from their WMS systems, okay. If something goes wrong in copy pasting, okay, entire invoice will be in toss, okay. So that's where we automated this extracting everything, okay, calculating and all with the billing module.
So moving from manual to autonomous billing. So when we moved into the automated billing solution, we have a real-time visibility across all the management level. We have accurate data. There is near to zero error chances. The third is transparent, like the data is transparent within all the division, all the warehouses. And the fourth mode is consistent. The data is consistent across all the warehouses.
Yeah.
Okay. So moving to the next slide. JP, you want to take?
So this is the billing engine I was talking about, right? Okay, Flow has two WMS systems. Okay. Flow has two WMS systems. One is Oracle Cloud WMS, okay, and another one is WMS, okay. So WMS is ASRS system, which they use in their Jeddah warehouse, Cake, they call it as Cake, okay. And we have integrated our billing module solution, okay, with both the systems, okay. Previously, it was both the systems integrated to AR system, Oracle Fusion AR system for invoice generation, okay. They were extracting the data manually and uploading the same into Fusion AR, okay, manually. Move on. This is where we have introduced, billing module. These are the key features of billing module.
Yeah. So basically, we also discussed the same point previously. Like we have a real-time revenue recognition. We have error elimination. There are near to zero chances for error. Contract standardization, like within all the warehouses, we have a standard contract. Then operational transparency, like there is a transparent system and anybody can access the system online anywhere. Now, enterprise analytics, like we have in last we'll show you like how our KPIs look like, and you can generate multiple reports using this enterprise analytics. And last is area users capture. So you can able to view all your warehouses on the real time. So JP, you want to add something? Okay.
So, 1 second. Okay. This is the end-to-end billing module solution that we have implemented for flow logistics. Okay. Everything starts with WMS systems, cloud WMS and WMS. Okay. So all the transactions, including inbound, outbound, batch activities, and then storage. Okay, will be integrated to the billing engine. Okay. In billing engine, we maintain all the rate records. Okay. All the rate records in the sense, we have actually built all possible rate records where 3PL can charge to their customer. Example, based on cubic meter, based on square meter, based on number of pallets, based on shipment, total shipments, whatever. So whatever 3PL can charge their customer, okay, we have collected all the requirements, okay, and we have built all possible rate records, okay. And collecting the data from WMS systems, it comes to the billing engine where we have the rate cards with the rate, okay, and it calculates the final invoice amount, okay, in the billing engine, okay. Once once the calculation is done, okay, and it generates the bill in the billing module, okay. There are few approval levels, okay, starting from the transactions. Every day, operations needs to confirm their transactions to make sure, okay, first in the initial stages they want to get some confidence on the application, right? Okay, they wanted this feature. Okay, every day they want to confirm their transactions, and then warehouse manager again he will confirm what operations team has confirmed. Okay, and finally at the end of the month, their warehouse director will approve that all the transactions. Okay, once the approval is done by warehouse director, okay, then it goes to the finance team, okay, where finally they will confirm everything and approve it finally. Okay, once they approve it, we are integrating the invoice amount, okay, for a particular company and the facility to the Fusion AR. Okay, and then from Fusion AR, they have a ZK system, which is in Saudi Arabia there is a rule. They can send, they can invoice their customer or bill their customer. Okay, they have to use ZK system. Okay, using the Fusion AR, they will send the invoices to their customers. Okay, and we have few dashboards and analytics in the system. We'll talk it later. Okay, so these are the few key benefits to the flow. Flow means our customer, right? Okay, we have faster billing cycles. Okay, they can generate invoices in speed. Okay, there is an accuracy. Okay, which reduces all the manual errors and all. System will take care of all the calculations, so there will be no errors. Okay, that's why we had approval levels initially. Okay, and revenue loss prevention. Okay, they don't lose anything in terms of revenue, and finally, they have a visibility on what they are doing, and these are the key benefits to their customers. Okay, to the customers of Flow. Okay, they will get more visibility on what they are getting charged. Okay. and they also have the full visibility. Okay, they will get the trust on the customer, their customer 3PL. Okay, and they have the transparency on what they are getting charged. So as Rahul mentioned, Flow has multiple warehouses across Saudi Arabia. Okay, they have 3 DCs, and then they have multiple hubs. Okay, we could not mark everything there. Okay, only we have marked 5 or 6. Okay, so they have all the warehouses, all the hubs. We have standardized all the rules. Okay, and we have service catalogs. Okay, we have the calculations based on area. Okay, and all the processes are standardized. Okay, these are the dashboards that we have built. Okay, this is just as I mentioned earlier, right? They have lot of approval levels. Okay, one is initially this operations team has to confirm on daily basis, and their respective managers also has to confirm. Okay, so if you look at the first one, okay, green one is operation pending, and blue one is manager pending. Okay, how many transactions they have out? This is in terms of facility and the company. Each facility and the company, that's the count. Okay, here there are 52 pending. It's just a test data, right? Okay, they are using it. Combination of 52 facility and company, they have to confirm, and by the operations, and 2 needs to be confirmed by the manager. Okay, it is across facility and the company level here. Yeah, you can.
Yeah, so basically after using this solution, we have an impact summary. So the first is 100% automatic billing workflow. There is no need for any manual intervention, no Excel file. So everything is automated. Then we eliminated the Excel file, then there is no manual intervention, like we have a real-time revenue recognition. And the last is we have a standardized contract across all the sites and the warehouses. So these are the 4 impacts we have in Flow using this billing solution.
So these are future roadmap. Okay, we are actually planning to use the Oracle standard predictive AI/ML. Okay, and also we are planning to implement some SLA based billing. Okay, and we are analyzing the customer based on the customer's data. Okay, we are planning to generate the rate records and all. These are future map. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you very much.